How you doing? Pat here, and today we're going to try to find some more dirt roads in the Glenmont area. Since I wasn't able to do the entire Glenmont Loop ride, I thought what I would do today is go back to Glenmont and try the loop from the opposite direction that I started it and see how much of it I can do from that direction. And it's also a good test for the brand new GPS here. Look for that review later in the year. It's the Zumo XT. And let's just see what today's going to offer us. Alright, I'll be back right after this. Well, as soon as I left Glenmont, made a right turn onto this road that looks almost like it's been graded, but it's kind of hard to tell. Dust cloud ahead. I'm not the only one using these roads today so far, even though I've not seen anybody, but this little section's been back there, it's been loose as get out. I'm just following a track. I'm not doing a route, which is something I'm not used to doing. We'll see how well I can manage. What am I turning on? Knox Township 225. One-lane bridge. Go up here to the stop sign, make a left, go that way. I believe this is Township Road 228. Yes it is. Yeah, they've had some flooding down here by the looks of this. Big tire tracks. I don't know if this road is graded a little bit, because it sure looks like it. Never fails. Not recording, and there was a fox running down this road that just went right up in there. Not something you see very often. Well, according to the sign back there, Camp Bethany's down this way. Not that I know what it is, but in case you do, you'll have an idea where I am. Well, this is really hard pack right here. Heck, a cruiser could do this part of the road easy. You may remember that sign in another video of mine, but hopefully today's no different. But last time I was on this road, it wasn't bad. I didn't understand the sign. Yeah, last time I was on this road, it was pretty barren of gravel. This time it's pretty loose with gravel. And rough. Yeah, this is the road that's going to take me over by, yeah, what's it called? Yeah, Landall's Castle. That's what I'm trying to think of. I'm in that neighborhood of Loudonville right now. Alright. We are not going to go past Landall's Castle. We're going to make this left right here, but if you just go straight up that road, Landall's Castle's on your left. We're going to go this way. You gotta be kidding me. There was just two frickin' deer standing there. And I wasn't recording. Yep, there they are. Wonder if it'll show up in post that I can actually show you that I'm not making this crap up, but... Huh, there went a turkey. I hope I got it. You don't see turkeys fly very often. He come up out of those weeds back there. Well... sometimes you got to deal with this when you're riding in farm country. Just going to stop right here for a few minutes and figure out what's going on. Oh, hey. I know where I'm at, I think. Anyway, just had an entire group of bike riders go by me the other way, and as always, guess who isn't recording? Yeah, that's right, me. I wonder if they're doing the same loop. For all I know, those could be members of the Facebook group, which maybe someday I'll join them, but I'm not into riding with great big groups of people. I really like to ride solo, maybe one or two, that's about it. Just, I like the flexibility it affords. I don't have to worry about how fast or how slow, when I want to stop, when I want to deviate. And let's just watch the horseplay, shall we? Get it? Horseplay? Okay, anyway. I'll shut up now. Really? Come on, dog, get off the road. I don't want to hurt you, and I don't want you to hurt me. Little Benji, huh? Alright, I freely admit these roads right up through here scare me a little bit. They've been pretty rough every time I've been up through here. And up here on the left is quote-unquote a road, but no, it's not really a road anymore. It dead ends into a guy's house. Even though the GPS said there was still a road here, there really wasn't. Actually, this is better than the last time I was through here last fall. This is a little smoother. But I'm going to take this road to the right, and that was pretty wicked last year. So I was right, this trail does take you up these roads. Because if I'm thinking properly, which is, I don't know, one of these two roads up here at the end of it, I forget if it's if you go straight or right, at the opposite end it says travel at your own risk, and no, that wasn't the sign from earlier today. I forget which one. I forget if it's that one, if I go down the hill, or if it's this one. I think it's this one. Anyway, wish me luck. Yeah, this was the rough road. I think this is the one that says travel at your own risk on the other side of it. Some big frickin' holes there. And some washouts and a little mud. Rocks and shut up and ride. Oh geez, that was rough. Yeah, this is the part that was kind of crap last year, and it ain't a whole lot better this year. Slippery. I see motorcycle tracks. I think maybe those guys came through here that I saw a little while ago. Got to get another Jeep someday when I retire, because even just driving down these kinds of roads, oh boy, big hole, are fun. Wife and I did it a few years ago when I had the Jeep. We enjoyed it. Major bumpy. And some mud. Let's go over here. And more mud. And big holes, more mud. Whoa! Woo. Slip sliding away. Get that song out of your head. Oh man, smell that lavender. Wow, that smells so good. That's not that road I was thinking of. It was the other one, but that one still scared me the first time I ever came down it. Anyway, you're on Wally Road here, which if I go the opposite direction, takes you back to Loudonville, where there's a whole ton of camping and tourist activities. Look how high that water is. Holy crap. I'm just cruising along 45, 50, wham, gravel. Alrighty then. Just no warning. Crested the hill, gravel road in front. Oh wow, what a beautiful house. Holy moly. Furnace shop, huh? That's gorgeous. Well, them Amish are living high on the hog, aren't they? They're not really Amish. They got electric. Okay, there is a road here. Richland 11. Alright. This is a new one for me. Amish have been through here recently by the looks of things. Okay. Oh, check this out. This is kind of cool. And the brats haven't painted it all up, which is awesome. Huh, neat. Oh, I don't think it would take a terrible lot more rain to get that river up here. You gotta be kidding me. Again? Let me guess. The bridge is out or that's a river crossing. I mean, there's the river. Whatever. I need a break.
You can see other people have been using this bridge and riding across it, but I'm not about to attempt it.
Well, since that road was closed and I wasn't willing to cross that bridge, even though other people are, this is where I made the left, and up here is the other covered bridge. I believe that's just a walking path now, though. You can probably see it right there. If not, I'll try to zoom in and post. Okay, we're going to go down here. Looks like it's going to a little town, maybe? I don't know. But it'll bring us back out on State Route 62. Jeez, oh Pete, snail lady. Don't know what to do. Should I go up there and check it out? I mean, it was an old rail bridge. Of course, I'm kind of starving right now, too. Well, I think I'm just going to call this the Glenmont Loop fail number 2. So maybe one of these days I'll figure out how to make this loop happen. Right now it's basically noon. I'm starving. I'm going to go try to find me lunch somewhere. So until the next video, if you would, please give me a great big thumbs up. Or even a small thumbs up if you can. If you haven't, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And until the next video, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again. Alright, I'm out.